What's up everyone, welcome back here to the Megan Moose channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. Well, we're still on our Seattle vacation and I was very pleasantly surprised to find out that the Funko headquarters is located here in Everett, Washington. So we are going to explore the Funko headquarters today and see all it has to offer. So you can see the fun Funkos behind us. We're going to go on in there, see what all is inside the Funko headquarters and maybe even make a Funko Pop of ourselves. So come along, let's go ahead and get in there. The Funko Pop headquarters officially opens at 11. It's currently 10:45. There's a little bit of a line that we've got to wait in, but we'll see how long it takes to get inside. Here we go. We also have Mom with us.
Hey there.
Alright, so we made it into the store here and we immediately came to where you can make the Funko Pop of yourself. So you get a little sheet here and you fill it out and you get to make your Funko. So yeah, so we'll show you here what it looks like. So here's all of the different head types. So you choose which one you want and then you put it on your card here. So Josh here is going to make one as well. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm grabbing my pencil here. So here we've got the female heads. I think I'm going to choose H05. So you have your head here, and then I'm going to put 05 here. Alright, so glasses, I think are down here. Okay, wait, those are all coming soon. Maybe they're on a different side? I don't need facial hair. So I think we're good to move to step 2. Alright, so we are on step 2 now, so we're going to choose our hair and then if we want any hats. So I was looking at all of the different hair types. I think we're going to go with this hair color here. And I think we're going to choose 021 for our hair and head type there. So we're just going to put 021 for hair. And now we can move to step 3. Alright, so we are here choosing the stuff for our body. So I was really hoping that they'd have a jean skirt because I love wearing jean skirts. But we're going to go with this T05 shirt. So I love the ombre colors of it. And then down here, we're just gonna go with these plain jeans with white shoes. So we're gonna go with L24. So I'm gonna write that one here. So we have T05 and then the L24. And then for our accessories, you get 2. I was hoping they'd have a cell phone for my vlogging, but instead I think I'm just gonna go with this Funko purse here because you know I love lounge flies. So we're gonna go with A08 and I think that's gonna complete our Funko. So we're gonna go turn in our form here and see what it looks like. We turned in our form and over here looks like where they put all of the custom Funkos together. So they have all the body parts. Pretty cool. And here's Josh's custom Funko. I think they look pretty similar. Are you happy with it, Jay?
Yes.
Yeah? I love it. And there they are, making my Funko. Alright, so we got our Funko back. Let's take a look at it. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think? Does it look similar? So we made our Funko Pop, but now I think I need to leave the Funko store with a new Loungefly bag, but they have so many amazing options. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna choose, so I will keep you posted. We've got some Stitch collection stuff here, and we also have this really cool bag. It's got some of the clothes for some of the main Disney characters. And then I think I am eyeing up this bag though. I've seen this bag on social media and I think I might have to go home with this one. Now we're walking through the Princess Castle here. We'll walk into some of the Marvel stuff. So we've got Thor up there, the Hulk, Iron Man in the corner, Spider-Man. Got the dragon here. Maleficent herself up there. Jack Skellington over on the side. Back in the corner there's where we created our own Funko Pop. And then we've got Star Wars in the corner over there, so we'll go over there next. Alright guys, well that finishes up our time at the Funko headquarters here in Everett. Super excited that we were able to come and visit. So we were able to make our custom Funko Pop here, and I decided to go with this black Loungefly bag. It has a place that you can put pins in the front, so I was really excited about this. I thought it was a pretty neat way for me to remember my time here at the Funko headquarters. So thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next vlog.